Hi everyone, this is Julia from The Adventure Geek and I'm bringing you all sorts of backpacking and hiking gear and gizmos and gadgets and all the rest of it. I do a series called What's in the Box, and these are small little gizmos and gadgets for the hiking and backpacking industry that literally just make my world a little bit easier, but they don't necessarily warrant a full gear review. So if that's of interest to you, this week I've got two gadgets that are all to do with winter hiking and something that saved my life last weekend up on the Malvern Hills. If you're interested in finding out what it is, then stay tuned for this week's What's in the Box. I have two products for you this week and they both sort of go together. First lesson I learned a couple of weeks ago when I did a camp out using my new frying pan, which I'll show you guys in a few weeks. I was using it on the gas canister and I was using normal like propane gas that I do use throughout the summer, and I definitely needed some 4-season gas because it was only just sort of flickering through and it took about 10 minutes to boil just like 200 millilitres of water. So that was the first thing I bought, is 4-season gas. I bought the Jetboil one. These are not cheap. I can't remember how much they were, but they're quite expensive. I got the 230 milligram one. That was obviously going to last me a while, so I'll put the weight of that on the screen and also the price of this on the screen. You can get these from Amazon, which is where I got it from, but I'm assuming they're probably cheaper if you go to your local outdoor retailer. So yeah, 4-season gas, it makes a hell of a difference, and especially in the winter when you want things boiling fairly quickly. So use that with my windshield as well. I've got a nice clip-on windshield. So that's the first thing. The second thing I bought to go with that is, look at this, how cool is this? So this is like a, it says, I'll give you a close-up of this, but it says Speero. I keep calling it Speedo, but it's not Speedos, but obviously, but it is a gas canister koozie. So it's got like little things on the side where you can put a lighter or your spoon, and these are like military. So basically it keeps your gas warm. It doesn't make a difference. So that sort of pops in there. It's got a little hole at the top as well. There you go, and that sort of zips up like that. And yes, it keeps it nice and warm and cozy, but also you can take this lid off and you can screw your canister stove directly onto there. So that's my setup. I'll quickly screw that on now, and I'll show you that you can also add your windshield to this as well, so your gas canister stays nice and warm. The weight of this, it's not something I would use on a through hike at all, but it is definitely something that I would use on an overnighter or a weekend, just to make sure that yeah, things stay nice and warm. So yeah, the price of this is on the screen now. The weight of this is on the screen now. So that's my two gadgets for this week, and just to help out with making sure that I'm getting out and about in winter as well as summer. So yeah, get out there and enjoy it, and make sure you got the right kit. Anyway, I hope you like these videos. I know I waffle on a bit, but if you're interested in subscribing, you know what to do. Just hit the subscribe button and the little dingy dongy bell, and I will see you next week with another What's in the Box series. Hope you're enjoying them. Give us a thumbs up. I'll see you next week. Don't forget to get outside, get inspired, go take a hike when you can, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care everyone. Ta-da. Bye-bye.